Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Nighty Boo's mom from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, we're going to first start off in the center, and we're going to draw the shape of the mouth. We'll start by drawing a curve out to the right, and bringing it in. And the same thing on the left. And now we're going to do the same thing underneath, going downwards. And when you're done, the shape of the mouth should look like this. Next, let's move on the top left and let's draw a curved border around. And the same thing on the right side. And then let's follow the same shape of the mouth to finish it off at the bottom. And that's it for the shape of the mouth. Next, let's move in and draw the inside. Let's start inside in the center and let's draw a curve across. Then curve it down from both sides. And now on each side, let's draw another curve outwards like this. Then above it, on the top left, let's draw 2 angles up and 2 angles up on the right. And then connect them with lines across. And now let's color that intersection in black. And that's it for the middle part of the mouth. Next, let's add the teeth. Let's start on the top left and let's draw V shapes across like this. And then 3 more underneath. And now let's do the same thing on the top right section. Now let's hop down on the bottom left and let's start with 1 tooth in the corner. Then 3 going out from both sides. And let's do the same thing on the bottom right. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's hop up and draw the eyes. Let's start on top on the left and let's draw an angled line. And the same thing on the right. And then a curve underneath each one. And now inside each eye, towards the center, let's draw a circular curve. And then let's color both of these in black. Next, let's move in the center and let's draw a curved V shape up like this. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move up and finish drawing the rest of the head. Let's start on top in the center, and let's draw a line across. Then let's bring it up and out from both ends. Now let's draw an S-shaped curve up from both sides. And then another large S-shaped curve down to the mouth to close off both ears. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another wavy line down, and the same thing on the right. Then at the bottom, one more bent line. Now let's hop to the outside and draw the second set of ears. Let's start with a small curve up, and then curve it back down and in. And that's it for the ears. Next, let's hop up to the top in the middle and finish drawing the top of the head. Let's start with 2 curves up, and then close off the end with a curve. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a curve across. Then from the ends, let's curve it out and bring it up like this. Now let's hop down underneath and add the feet. Let's start with 2 ankles down on the left and right. Then from the inside, let's draw a V-shaped curve down and back up. And then 3 more going out to close it off. And that's it for the feet. Next, let's move to the sides and draw the wings. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and out. And the same thing on the right. Now from the end, let's draw a curve up and back down, and then 1 more like this. And let's do the same on the right. And then from the end, let's curve it down and bring it in. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw another curve down and curve it in at the end. And the same thing on the right. Then for the end, let's curve it back up and out. Now let's hop back down to the outside line and let's curve it up. And then 2 more curved V-shapes to close off each side. And lastly, from the side of the body, let's draw 1 more curve outwards to close off the bottom of the wings. And that's it for Nighty Boo's mom. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!